Okay, welcome back, starting with question 38. So, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So let's go see. Are there any parentheses here? Yes, there are. There's these ones here, and there's these ones here. However, I think it's obvious looking at this that you can't add 1, 2, 3 balloons, right? It always has to be like items that you're adding or subtracting. Okay, so forget about the parentheses. Let's look at the exponents. Are there any? I don't see any. Multiplication, division. Well, there's a ton. Take a look at this. We have here 5 times 1 and 5 times 3b. So if we look, 5 times 1 equals 5 plus 5 times 3b, 15b. Plus, then we have here 3, or I should rather say, and when I don't say positive, I just say 3, that means positive. 3 times 3b equals 9b, and 3 times negative 3 equals minus 9. All right, 15b plus 9b is 24b. 5 minus 9 equals minus 4. That equals minus 76. I have to add 4 here and add 4 there to get rid of that negative 4. I get minus 76 plus 4 equals minus 72 equals 24b. So b divided 24b divided by 24 equals b. Negative 72 divided by 24 equals, take out your calculators, it equals minus 3. I'm going to go check to see my answer. Yes, it's good, it's good, it's good. All right. Hold on. Crumbs, hold on. All right, so number 39 now. Plowing forward. You have to do a lot of these problems. Alas, that's just the way it is. Hold on a sec, let's just toss this a bit. All right, 39 minus 61 equals minus 5 brackets 5r minus 4 plus 4 brackets 3r minus 4. Is that readable? Yes, it is. So, parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. I know it sounds silly. I've been doing this for every single problem, but that's going to help you stay out of trouble. If you follow the steps, you stay out of trouble. Another thing is to write your numbers very clearly, your numbers and letters very clearly, because sometimes when you do these long problems, you get confused. Your 4 might look like a 9, your A might look like a 9. It gets confusing. All right, so are there any parentheses? Yes, there are. Can I subtract 4 from 5R? 5 trucks, 5 apples, 5 Romeos? No, you can't. You can only subtract and add like things, right? So this doesn't work. 3R minus 4, that doesn't work either. So we're going to be doing this very simple operation, and we should take care of it. So negative 5 times 5R. And negative 5 times 5r is really negative 5 times 5 times r. That's what that means. So it's minus 25r. Minus 5 times minus 4 equals plus 20. So 4 times 3r equals 12r. 4 times minus 4 equals minus 16. Let's combine the like terms. Shall we? Minus 25r plus 12r equals minus 13r plus 4 equals minus 61. All right, so let's do this. So to get rid of this 4, I have to do minus 4 on both sides, right? So I come out to minus 65 equals minus 13r. All right. Well, if you divide both sides by minus 13r, if you take out your calculators, I think you should get 5. R equals 5. I did this switch here. R equals 5. Am I right? 39, 5. Yes, I am right. Boom. All right. Very good, very good, very good. Moving along. Going fast a bit, but at this point you can always pause me. All right, number 40. I'm just going to highlight it here because I just want to make sure that I see it. All right. So minus 6x minus 8 minus 4x minus 2 equals minus 4. Oh, that's an ugly 4. There it is. All right, so let's do this. Minus 6 times x equals minus 6x. Minus 6 times, am I doing that right? Yes, minus 8. That's a positive, right? A negative times a negative equals a positive. That's plus 48, 6 times 8. Minus 4x, boom, minus 4 times, so just to show you what I'm doing here, I'm going a bit fast. I did minus 4 times x, I got this here. Minus 4 times minus 2 equals plus 8 equals minus 4. Sometimes people forget to finish the problem. I always do line by line, finish every single one. That way I can see better where I screwed up if I don't have the right answer. Okay, minus 6x minus 4x equals minus 10x. 48 plus 8 equals 56 equals minus 4. Now we want to get all the numbers on one side. So we're going to do minus 56 here, minus 56 here. All right, so I have minus 10x. Minus 4 plus minus 56 equals minus 60, right? So here I'm going to divide this stuff by negative 10. Now take a look at this. You see what I did here? Minus 10x divided by negative 10. That gives me 1x, or x, equals negative 60 divided by negative 10. If I do something to one side, I got to do something to the other. Remember, that has to be burnt in your brain by the time you're done with me. X equals 6, right? Negative 60 divided by negative 10 equals 6. Think about it. Let me go see if I have the right answer. Yes, I do. All right. Moving along to number 41. I'm going to highlight it just to make it my life easier. Boom. All right. Minus 2, 8n minus 4 equals 8, 1 minus n. Wonderful. Let's take a look at this. Minus 2 times 8n equals minus 16n. Just to remind you, it's minus 2 times 8 times n we did there. Minus 16n, sorry. Minus 2 times, we have to take all of it, times minus 4, that's 2 negatives, plus 8. Equals 8 times 1, that's an 8. 8 times minus n is a minus 8n. Okie dokie. Looks like we're going to get gypped here. What's going on? All right, let's bring the 8 on this side. So that would be plus 8n plus 8n. And here we'll do minus 8 minus 8. Okay, so minus 16n plus 8n equals minus 8n. We have to agree this equals 0. We don't touch it. This equals 0. We don't touch it. And this equals 0 also. We're left with a 0. And if we do divide both sides by minus 8, 0 divided by anything is 0. So n equals 0. Wow, is that the right answer? Yep, that's what it is. Flying along. 42. We are getting to the end. We're seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. I think 2 more videos and we're going to be okay. All right. Minus 4, 1 plus a equals 2a minus 8, 5 plus 3a. Here. Let's make this nice. All right. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Are there any parentheses? Yes. Can I add 1 to an apple? No, you can only add apples with apples. How about 5 plus 3 apples? No, that doesn't work either. Only like terms. So, boom. I'm going to multiply this by this. So minus 4 times 1 equals minus 4. Minus 4 times a equals minus 4a. Right? Because that's minus 4 times a. Equals 2a minus 8, negative 8 times 5 equals 40. Minus 8 times 3a equals minus 24a. All right, let's do a little combination of like terms here. I get minus 22a minus 40 equals minus 4 minus 4a. Let's get rid of this bugger right here. Minus 4 minus 4. Here I'm going to add 4. All right, so this crosses out. Minus 40 plus 4 equals 30, minus 36. Here I want to get rid of this guy, so I'm going to add 22a on both sides. Boom, that crosses out. Minus 4a plus 22a equals 18a equals negative 36. All right. So, we have to isolate a. Means we divide by 18, right? 18a is really 18 times a. Well, if you divide by 18, you're left with a. So, this equals a minus 38 divided by 18 equals, very quickly now, minus 2. Is that the right answer? Yes, it is. Bueno, bueno. 43. Boy, 43 is a long one. Am I going to have time to do it? Let's do it anyway. Very quickly now. Minus 3 minus 7v plus 3 plus 8v equals 5v minus 4, 1 minus 6. Is that a v? V. All right. So now they're making the problems longer and longer in order to confuse you. And if you notice a pattern, you can never do what's inside the parentheses. They always stick a variable in there to piss you off. In this case, v. So let's just get rid of these parentheses, shall we, by doing the multiplication, as we've been doing for the 42 past problems. Minus 3 times minus 7v. That's minus 3 times minus 7 times v. There's an even number of negative. That's automatically a positive. So that's 21v. Minus 3 times plus 9 equals minus 9 plus 8v, that's a carryover, 5v, and then we have minus 4 times 1 equals minus 4, minus 4 times minus 6v equals plus 24v. Let's do a quickie combination of like terms. 5v plus 24v equals 29v minus 4. And here we have 21v plus 8v. That's a big fat 29v minus 9. That's a carry. You carry that one down. See how I did that? There it is. So, boy, I think we're going towards no solution, because here if I do minus 29v and I do minus 29v here, well, I get 0. So it's minus 9 equals minus 4. You see how that's done? And when you have this, there is no solution. All right, anytime the variable is gone, you can't possibly solve the problem. So there's no solution. That's a trick question, by the way. And you probably will get one of those in your exams, because that's the way teachers are, except they're going to show it to you only once. All right, let's go see here. Yeah, no solution. All right, so we'll finish off the chapter maybe in the next video. That's it.